Have you ever watched a page on your site pull in thousands of visits a month and realize it's not doing anything for your business? I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me show you a small, repeatable fix that earns that traffic money. I once turned a single how-to page into a $600 per month stream in 2 weeks by doing this exact process. Okay, picture the page as a tiny city map. Some neighborhoods are for research, some for action, some for comparison. The job is to mark 3 zones and place one small, aligned micro offer in each, deliberate, low friction, non-invasive. Now, how do you actually find those zones? Start with query clusters. Right now, open Search Console or Analytics and pull the queries for that page. Look for obvious groupings. How to, best, model numbers, brand names. Those groupings point directly at intent. Then read the page. Headings and section shifts often show where intent changes. Right. Add behavior signals. Scroll depth. Time on section, and in-page clicks when available. If a subsection gets most clicks or people jump straight to a part via the table of contents, that's a hot zone. You don't need fancy heat map software for a first pass Search Console. GA4 or a simple scroll report will do. Quick note, think in 3 practical zones: research, action, and conversion. That's enough to build from. Now, the micro offers. Keep them tiny and aligned. Each should take 30 minutes or less to build. Offer 1, an email first micro guide, a 1-page checklist or compact PDF that expands the how-to. Hook with a short line and deliver by email. Offer 2, a tiny paid export or tool. Think a CSV with pre-calculated material lists or a 1-table generator that saves someone time. Price low, validate demand first with an email waitlist. Offer 3, a contextual affiliate bundle. 3 recommended products with short notes on when to use each. Make the bundle useful, not spammy. Placement matters. For research sections, add a subtle inline form. Get the quick checklist. Email first, no interstitials. Okay. For action sections, a small button, download CSV that opens a lightbox, and a tiny payment flow works. For comparison sections, a short bundle callout beside the content is clean and contextual. Keep everything optional and transparent. No sneaky pop-ups that damage UX or rankings. Measurement is simple and privacy friendly. Track clicks on micro offer CTAs, email captures, and downloads. Use UTM tags or simple query strings to tie conversions back to that page and zone. Quick note, don't over-instrument. 3 clear metrics will tell you what you need. Set a 30-minute monthly habit. Check which zone converts, fix obvious friction, and iterate 1 micro offer at a time. 1 change at a time. If you flip all 3 offers at once, you won't know what moved the needle. Stagger rollouts and validate with clicks and email signups first. Let's walk a realistic example. Picture an evergreen how-to page on building a simple raised garden bed with 5,000 visits a month. From queries, we see 60% how-to, 25% comparison, 15% tool-focused. Add an email-first micro-guide in the how-to zone and convert 1%. That's 50 emails. A tiny CSV of material estimates priced at $5, converting at 0.5%. Gives 25 sales. An affiliate bundle converting at 2% with an average $10 payout adds another $100. Month 1. Low thousands are plausible with almost 0 maintenance. Yes, but those numbers assume a tidy funnel, not magic. So here's how to keep it tidy. Validate demand with the email first asset. Watch your click-throughs, then roll out the paid export behind that proven demand. That sequence keeps risk low. Common mistakes. Overcomplicating offers, misreading intent, or making changes that harm SEO. Avoid huge gated PDFs that nobody downloads, and don't stuff affiliate links where they don't belong. Mitigation. Start with tiny email-delivered assets. Keep offers constrained. Monitor rankings after each rollout. and roll back anything that causes a dip. Before we wrap, your 48-hour test. 1. Pick a page and pull query clusters. 2. Identify 3 zones and add 1 micro offer per zone. Email first, tiny export, affiliate bundle. 3. Tag each offer with a unique UTM or query string. 4. Watch clicks and signups for 48 hours. 5. Keep what converts and iterate. 10 minutes to set up, 48 hours to validate. Simple.
So right now, pick your highest traffic Faceless page, run the quick query cluster check, and add 1 honest micro offer. Think small, measure tightly, scale what works.
If you want more of this, hit subscribe in your player and I'll send a new systems tactic every week. I'm Ace. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.